Well, I think I have some good news to report. Over my left shoulder, those are plows that just came off I-85. So at least I-85 going northbound is being cleared somewhat. Right now, it's down to mostly one lane where you can see some asphalt and I guess transparently through the ice. You can see some asphalt. Some cars able to traverse that. But for the most part, it's sparing that we see cars and trucks moving along this major thoroughfare, which in many parts is still covered in several inches of snow. Taking a live look at the I-85 tower camera, which for some time was closed near Kannapolis on Saturday night after a crash between a car and a semi-truck forced traffic into one lane. Because of that, snow began building up and larger trucks became immobile. Some 30 semis and 100 cars were stuck, but by 10 p.m. last night, the road reopened thanks to the work of several towing companies and the National Guard. As for this morning, no major highways are closed, but remain difficult to drive on. State officials continue to share the same message that if you can, stay home.
We're hearing about in the Charlotte area among our staff, there have been a lot of crashes so far in our response, and it is, I think, inhibiting our ability to be out there to do our jobs effectively with our plowing operations and our salting operations.
And back out here live along I-85. Look at this behind me. It's a great sight, especially for someone who has to take I-85 home. The plows are out and about, hoping to clear off this snow that remains on the roadways after that major snowfall yesterday. That is how
Queen City News Plus. Just search Queen City News on your smart TV's app store.